The battery regulation brings in some really significant changes in terms of sustainability. These are high-risk materials in terms of how they are extracted from the ground. There are also some risks around the safety of batteries. The CE mark that will need to be applied on all batteries is going to affect a number of organisations. If your product contains a battery, you will be responsible for making sure that that battery complies with the battery regulation and that the digital product passport is actually affixed to the battery itself. And if you're a manufacturer, that responsibility will be carried by yourself. The battery regulation is coming out as a series of delegated acts. It's really important that organisations are acting on them as quickly as possible. BSI are able to support organisations from CE marking to supply chain due diligence, all the way through to training in carbon footprinting and carbon footprint verification.